Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Now, let us look at these example sentences. It is written Ram's mango is sweet. Rohan's mango is sweeter than Ram's. Ritika's mango is the sweetest of them all. Now, what do you think? Why I am displaying these sentences? Or what do I mean to say through these examples? Any guesses? Yes, you guessed it right. These are comparison words. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. These all are adjectives. But when we compare, they change their forms. So today in this video, we are going to discuss your chapter number 7 of English grammar, that is adjectives of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It means when a comparison is done. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Now there are 3 degrees of comparison. What are they? The positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Positive degree stands alone. It means no comparison is there. Now, let us understand it with example. In this picture, do you see a house? Yes, it is a beautiful and big also. So here you can see it is written, she has a big house. There is no comparison. Why? Because we cannot see another house there. So here, what is big? Big is positive degree of adjective. Let us have a look on another example. Sam's tree is tall. What is tall? Tall is positive degree. Why? Because without comparison it is. Now what is comparative adjective? Comparative adjective is used to compare two nouns. It means when a comparison is done between two nouns, it is known as comparative adjectives. Now have a look at this example. Mohan is taller than Rupa. Mohan is a boy, and yes, we can see he is taller than Rupa. So here what you see? The comparison between two children, a boy and a girl. And we have used the comparative degree. What? Taller. So what is taller? Comparative degree. Next example. Her house is bigger than my house. Again we are doing a comparison between two things. Between two houses. Her house and my house. And how we are comparing it? We are saying her house is bigger than my house. So what is bigger? Bigger is comparative degree. Now let us understand what is superlative adjective. Superlative adjective is used to compare 3 or more nouns. It means when a comparison was made between two, it was known as comparative. Now, when a comparison is made between more than two things, it is known as superlative degree of adjective. Have a look at this example. Vidya is the tallest girl in her class. Can you see 3 girls are there? And 1 girl is tallest? Here, the comparison is done between more than 2 girls. That is why tallest is superlative degree. His house is the biggest of all. In the picture you can see more than 2 houses. And which one is biggest? The left hand side is biggest. So here what is biggest? It is superlative degree. Now all the 3 degrees are here. The positive degree sentence, Sam's tree is tall. Comparative degree, Nikki's tree is taller than Sam's tree. Superlative degree, Ricky's tree is the tallest of the 3 trees. We use then after comparative adjectives to compare 2 similar things. Have a look on example. The blue coat is cheaper than the red coat. Comparison between 2 coats, and we have used then. Rajasthan is drier than Gujarat. Again the comparison between 2 places, and we have used then. The definite article the is used before the superlative adjectives. We use the. Have a look on example. The red coat is the most expensive of the 3 coats. Rajasthan is the driest place in India. Now let us read about the formation of comparative and superlative. We generally form comparative by adding ER and superlative by adding EST. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Now let us study about the rules. When the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. In the example, you can see brave, which is the positive degree, when changed to comparative become braver, superlative bravest, fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest, large, larger, largest, able, abler, ablest, and so on the examples. Now let us read about the second rule. Here it is saying when the positive ends in Y preceded by a consonant, the Y changed into I before adding ER and EST. Now here you can see happy becomes happier, happiest, easy, easier, easiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, and so on. Now let us read about the third rule. Here it is saying word which of one syllable and ends in a single consonant preceded by a vowel, this consonant is double before adding ER and EST. Here you can see the example. Red becomes redder and superlative reddest. Big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest, thin, thinner, thinnest, sad, sadder, saddest, and so on. Now let us study about the fourth rule. Here it is saying adjectives of more than 2 syllables forms the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. Here you can see the example. Beautiful changes to more beautiful and most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult, and so on. Now there are certain positive adjectives which do not follow any rules, and we call it them as irregular comparison. Here you can see the positive adjective good, the comparative is better, best. The same thing bad, comparative is worse and worst. Little, less, lesser, or least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Late, later, latest. Old, older or elder, oldest, eldest. far, further, furthest. So these are the irregular comparison. Hope now the topic is clear to you. If not, again watch the